Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maria Yenga. In today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to make this beautiful wide leg palazzo pants. If this is your first time watching my video, thank you for tuning in. Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and you'll be the first one to receive a notification whenever I upload a new video. And let's get into today's tutorial. So guys, we have our basic pants pattern drafted on a piece of paper, and during the pattern drafting I went ahead and drew a straight line in the middle of these pants, and then that's the line we are going to use to cut and split our basic pants into two. But you're not going to completely split it. We are going to leave a small piece up on the waistline, so go ahead and cut it all the way from down towards the waistline, but don't separate it. Moving on, we go ahead and fold our fabric into four. We are cutting both sides together at the same time, the front and back sides at the same time. So go ahead and fold your fabric into four. We bring our pattern draft and place it on top of our folded fabric, and place it perfectly well so that it doesn't move. If you have pins, please go ahead and pin it. Then spread it wide from the bottom where you cut from, like you see me doing. Spread it to the end, to the both sides of the fabric. Go ahead and measure 4.5 inches, 5, 6, 7 inches, depending on how wide you want your palazzo pants to be. So I went ahead and measured 4.5 inches between the two papers. And then my pattern draft wasn't long, but I wanted my palazzo pants to be extremely long, covering my feet. So I went ahead to add 2.5 inches downwards from the draft paper, and then I marked it right there, and I made a curve so that my pants could come out perfectly long like I wanted them to be. Since we are using crepe fabric, it can easily move. You can use any kind of fabric you want, but I was using crepe fabric, so I went ahead to pin my pattern paper to the fabric so it doesn't move when I'm cutting. We go ahead and cut completely open our pattern paper and pin it onto the fabric. You can leave a space of 1 or 1.5 inches. We go on to cut out our pattern that will all following the pattern paper, like you see me showing you. You can leave seam allowance if you want, but if you don't want, you can just cut it closer to the pattern paper. Since it's already a wide leg pants, like we've split, we have enough space, but I went ahead to leave some space for sewing allowance. If you want, please leave it. If you don't want, it's okay, just cut it through. Carefully remove the pins that you had put, and then remove the pattern paper. Then go ahead and remove one part, like for the back side, and then you remain with the front side, because we are going to deduct some inches from the front side. On our front piece, from the middle side, the crotch side, we go ahead and mark 1 inch or half an inch, depending on what you like, and then mark it all the way down to the crotch. Since our bodies are not straight, guys, we are curved. From the waistline, go ahead and mark half an inch downwards and mark it, blend it through to the waistlines, and then get your scissor and cut through all that you've marked. For any questions about this tutorial, please put it in the comments below. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Also, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can always get the notifications, like, comment and share. Still on our front part of these pants, we go ahead and mark 1 inch on the hip side, guys. 1 inch for the pockets. We are creating our allowance for the pockets. Go ahead and mark 1 inch, and then downwards, go ahead and mark 6 or 7 inches. I marked 6 inches. Make a line and then cut it. I went ahead to fold my fabric and then to cut out the waistband. I wanted mine to be 2 inches wide, So I went ahead and folded it, and then I cut it by my round waist measurements, and then by 2.5 inches on fold. Then I cut it up. Also cut out a long string that we shall use to put inside our waistband. Then go ahead and cut out the pockets however you want them to be. Go ahead and cut out the 2 pieces for your pockets, and we shall be done with cutting of these pants, and then we go ahead to start sewing on the sewing machine. For our front part, we go ahead and arrange it so very well. If you have pins, you can pin it. Go ahead and make a stitch right there where I've showed you, and then do the same for the back part. Also go ahead to fix the pockets on your front part of the pants, and then you will have such results. Then place it right side facing up, and go ahead and bring your back part after stitching it as well, and then place it on top of the front part, right sides facing each other like you see me doing, and then go ahead and make a stitch, a long stitch between the two, from the crotch downwards to the legs, like between your pants. Having fixed our middle part of the pants, we go ahead to fix the full hem of our pants, like the full length, and go ahead and fold it once, and then second time 2 times, and then go ahead and make a stitch around the part, and do the same for the other part of the pants as well. Also go ahead and fix the sides of your pants from the hips to the end, and that pant is coming to life, you can see guys. Now we go ahead and fix the pleats. You first measure like both sides, in fact 4 sides around your waist measurement, and then go ahead and measure your nipple to nipple measurements. The results, you divide it by 2. Mine was 7 inches, and then when I divided it into 2, I got 3.5. Mark it on both sides, 3.5, or the inches you get, mark it right there. And then we are going to determine how wide our pleats are going to be. I wanted mine to be 1.5 inches, so I went ahead to mark 1.5 inches right there, and then I folded it, and I went ahead to make a stitch after folding it. You can pin them on all sides, 4 sides, 4 pleats, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. Go ahead and make your pleats just like you see me doing, guys, like that, and then go ahead and make a stitch to make your pleats on your sewing machine. So guys, we are done fixing our pleats. You can go ahead and give it a very good iron, a very good press, your pants, if you have the time. And then after, we go ahead and fix the zipper at the back side of our pants. If you want your pants to have a zipper on the sides, go ahead and fix it. But for this particular pant, it's better to fix the zipper at the back. The zipper has been fixed on the pants. Now what's next is to fix the waistband, our waistband. So we go ahead and bring the one we cut out. We fold it into 2, and then we place it around the waist of the pants, and then go ahead and stitch it all around your pants, just like you see me showing you guys. Please be careful when you're fixing so that you don't leave out the zipper. That you need space on the waistband for fixing your long strap for tying around your pants. So be careful when you're stitching the waistband. Carefully place it around, and then go ahead and make a stitch. If you don't understand, please watch what I'm showing you and you follow, and then our waistband is ready, our pants is ready. You can see the zip has been fixed. So let's go ahead and fix in our long strap that I talked about, guys. Get your safety pin and fix your long strap inside the waistband. We are almost coming to the end of this tutorial. Guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on a notification bell, like, comment and share, and stay tuned for more tutorials. I upload tutorials every single week, every Friday or Saturday of the week. So guys, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's keep growing this channel. Let's keep learning from each other. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking, commenting and sharing. I really appreciate you. To my returning subscribers, you're the very best. My new subscribers, thank you so much. And if you haven't yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. These are the results from our tutorial. This is the wide leg palazzo pants from today's tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.